आज मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूंगी कि आपको अगर दशहरे पे स्पीच लिखनी है तो आप वो कैसे लिख सकते हैं। ये एक एग्जांपल है। सो लेट्स बिगिन स्पीच ऑन दशहरा। गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल सर और मैम, टीचर्स एंड ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। आई, यहाँ पे आपका नेम आएगा, have come before you all to deliver a speech on Dashera. Dashera, also called Vijayadashmi, is one of the most desired festival of Hindus and is widely celebrated all over India with fervor. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Zeal or eagerness or excitement. Okay, it falls during September or October. The festival's name is derived from the Sanskrit words Dasha means 10 and Hara means defeat. After the 9-day celebration of Navratri, Dashera is celebrated on 10th day of the month of Ashwin, the 7th month of the Hindu calendar, with the appearance of the full moon, an event called the bright fortnight, or you can say Shukla Paksh. Prior to Dashera, people observe 9 days of fasting. People pray to goddess Durga. The celebration is marked by Durga Puja in West Bengal and the traditional folk dance Garba and Dandiya in Gujarat. People are engrossed in prayers and worship goddess Durga. Dashera is celebrated as the symbol of victory of good over evil. On this day, huge effigies means statue, carving, sculpture, or you can say model of Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are set to fire to symbolize the defeat of evil power. On this very same day, Lord Ram defeated the demon king Ravan and freed his abducted wife from the evil clutches of demon. Lord Ram freed the world from the atrocities of the evil demon. He defeated the evil powers and established the rule of righteousness. Everyone waits for this festival eagerly. This brings great reasons to rejoice by all. The outcome of this festival is of light over dark, truth over lies, and good over evils. Therefore, we see that while people's belief may differ, they celebrate the very same actions throughout the country. Furthermore, Dashera marks Lord Ram's victory over demon Ravana. Thus, people enact the battle that took place between them for 10 long days. The democratic form is called Ram Leela. People in North India act out the Ram Leela by wearing masks and through various dance forms. Subsequently, following the Ramayana, they make giant size, मतलब क्या होता है इसका big size, paperboard effigies of the three principal demons like Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna. They are then filled with explosives in order to burn them. A man plays the role of Lord Ram and shoots fiery arrows at the effigies to burn it down. People usually invite a chief guest to act as Lord Ram and burn that effigy down. This event is carried out in an open field with thousands of spectators. People of all ages enjoy this fair. Kids wait for the most for this event and insist on their parents to take them to see the firecrackers. Vijayadashmi is also considered an auspicious day for worshipping the weapons. People perform Shastra Puja on this day and ask for strength from the Almighty. The festival is celebrated with great excitement all over the country, not only in India but abroad also. The temples are lighted up and the cities are bathed in light. The entire country sparkles up on this day. On this festival of victory of good over evil, we should pledge that We will not do anything harmful to anyone, nor we will let anyone suffer due to the evils. Let's take a vow on this holy occasion that we will work for the benefit of the country as well as for others. Dashera teaches us that good will always win over evil. It shows us the importance of truth and righteousness. Furthermore, it makes us believe in the light at the end of the tunnel. ये कोटेशन है अगर आप लिखना चाहें तो It is a time for celebration, a time for victory of good over bad, a time when world see the example of power of good. Let us continue same true spirit. At last, I wish on the happy occasion of Dashera, I pray that Lord Ram fills your life with lots of happiness, prosperity and success. Happy Dashera to all of you. Thank you and your name at last. I hope आप लोगों को ये speech अच्छी लगी होगी. Thank you so much for your precious time. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up to it and share with your loved ones. And once again, happy Dashera to everyone in advance. Thank you.